then they just end up blowing it on a freaking $40,000 razor. They go buy a house right out the gate. They go, just put themselves in a financial bind, and then they're playing catch up their whole life. And you'll see it once you get out on jobs welding. There's a lot of guys that are in their 60s traveling and welding, hitting jobs all over the country. And that is because they started making good money, made poor financial decisions, and then they have to stay making those $4,000 a week checks. And I didn't want that. Like you guys, I really enjoy my hobbies, and I want to ride my dirt bike and do things that I want to do as much as I can. But I also love welding. So it's the best of both worlds. I can go hit a job and it really not feel like a welding job because I enjoy welding. And then I get off the job with a good check, invest some of it, and then go use the other half on dirt bikes and things that I like to do. So it's been a really good 6 years for myself, and we're just trying to share that with other people. So if we can help you be financially literate, you can set yourself up and then also set your family up for generations to come.